Hi, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about Google Ad conversion tracking through Google Tag Manager, and I will set up Google Ad purchase conversion tracking with dynamic value. So let's get started. So this is Tag Manager. You know about it because I shared it on the previous video, and on the previous video I set up the GA4 purchase conversion tracking, and now I am checking it, is it working or not. So I see the active user one, so it is recording the user, and I also see it is recording the purchase. I can also see it from the admin section. So on the admin we have to go to the data display, then key event, and I see it is recording the purchase as well as it is recording the value. So the purchase is working or recording with the dynamic value. And today I am going to set up the Google Ad purchase conversion tracking with dynamic value. So the setup will be almost same, but this is for Google Ads and it was for analytic. Okay, so this is tag manager and tags triggers variable. Yeah, then maybe I have created some variable for the value and transaction ID. Yeah, this is for value, and this is user data. Oh, okay, this is user data, then transaction ID, then items, GA4 ID, currency. Okay, now we are going to use the same variable for the Google Ad purchase conversion tracking, and I can also set up some built-in variable here, for example click element or click class, click ID, click URL. Then let's go to tag. Okay, at first I want to show you the Google Ads account. This is Google Ad account for the demo purpose, and let me go to the goals. Okay, let me check the purchase. Okay, I don't have any purchase goals or conversion, so now I'm going to create a purchase conversion here. So let's create. Okay, then we have to select website, then we have to copy the website URL and paste here. Yeah, scan. Okay, it is scanning to get the data or syncing. Now I have to turn on enhance conversion here, then manual conversion. From here let's select purchase, then type the name purchase, and value definitely I will use the dynamic value, that's why we have to use different value. Yeah, then yes, we want to count the every conversion, then everything is good. I will fix it later, then done. Okay, again continue. Okay, now I will get three option and I'm going to use the Google Tag Manager. Okay, so this is conversion ID and this is label. Okay, we have to set up the conversion ID and label on the Tag Manager. So let me open the Tag Manager. In here we already have GA4 config and GA4 purchase, and now I am going to set up the Google Ad purchase. So we have to select the Google Ad conversion, but before set up the conversion, at first we have to select or set up the conversion linker. So let's get started. Yeah, let me set up the conversion linker, and yeah, the setting is okay. Just we have to select all pages, then type the name, or it will get automatically. Maybe just type Google Ads conversion linker. Yeah, yes, now let me set up the conversion. Yeah, Google Ad conversion, then conversion ID, let's copy from here, then paste here. Then label. Yeah, this is the label, this is the label. Yes, and we have to select the variable for conversion value, transaction ID, and currency. You know, we already have the variable for the three parameters, so let me select value. Yeah, this is value, then ID, this is transaction ID, then currency. Then I have to select the trigger that was for purchase. We already have it. Yeah, this one. Then I want to set up the enhanced conversion, so I have to select this one, then select the variable, this one, the right variable. So okay, so I have set up the Google Ad conversion tracking through Google Tag Manager, and yeah, it is false. Yes, everything is good. Now let me save it and change the name. So this is Google Ad purchase, and save. Okay, so we have set up the Google Ad purchase conversion tracking. Now we have to test it. Okay, let me preview to test it. Yeah, this is the right website. Then let me connect. Yeah, it is connecting. Yeah, it is connected. Yes, it is getting the data and it's show the connected. Nice. Then let me test the purchase. So we have to open a product. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then yeah, the data layer is working. You know about data layer, right? And if you don't know, you can watch my previous video. And let me continue. Add to cart. Yeah, view cart. All the data layer is working. Yeah, view cart, add to cart, everything is working. Then checkout. Now we have to fill up the information to purchase. Let me do it. I have filled up the information to purchase, and yeah, it is okay, everything is okay. Then let me place order. Okay, it is loading, and here I see the add payment info, add shipping info, all the data layer is working. And yes, we got the purchase, and I see Google Analytics purchase is working. Then Google Ads purchase is also working, and it show the status is success. Great. And I can also see the enhanced conversion data, that is Zubayer ppc@gmail.com. The Gmail is sending. Great. And I can also see the conversion value is working or sending. Great. Then GCL, yeah, great. Then currency is good, as well as conversion ID, then conversion level, everything is sending perfectly, and transaction ID is also sending. Great. Yeah, nice. Then I can also check it on the Google Ads dashboard. Let me check it. Okay, we can test it here. Yeah. Okay, then let me do it. This product I wanna buy. Okay, the price is same, but I want to show you another product to show you the price is okay. This one, this is 130. So let me add to cart, then view cart. Yeah, then checkout. Nice. Oh, information is here, so I can do it very quickly. Place an order. Great. And I see the purchase is sending. Nice. I can also see it from here. Google Ads purchase. Yeah, it is working. And here, nice, it is getting the data. Great. I hope you understood the implementation. But if you face any problem or if you have any question, you can ask me on comment box, or if you really face problem, you can schedule a call with me, or you can inbox me on WhatsApp. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much.